Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important concept in fluid mechanics: buoyant force. Buoyant force is the upward force exerted by a fluid on an object immersed in it. It opposes the weight of the object. This force is responsible for why objects float or sink in a fluid. Let's discuss Archimedes' principle, which states that an object submerged in a fluid experiences a buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. This principle can be expressed mathematically. The buoyant force equals the density of the fluid times the volume of fluid displaced times the acceleration due to gravity. Now, why do some objects float while others sink? It depends on the relationship between the buoyant force and the weight of the object. If the buoyant force is greater than the weight, the object floats. If it's less, the object sinks. If they are equal, the object is in equilibrium. Let's consider some examples. A wooden block floats on water because its density is less than that of water. A rock sinks because its density is greater than that of water. Buoyant force is crucial in various applications, such as designing ships, submarines, and even hot air balloons. Several factors influence buoyant force. Higher density fluids exert a greater buoyant force. Larger objects displace more fluid, increasing the buoyant force. The strength of the gravitational field can affect the weight of the displaced fluid. To summarize, buoyant force is a vital concept that helps us understand why objects behave differently in fluids. Remember Archimedes' principle and think about how it applies to everyday life. Thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions?